Imagine this, you have just created financial freedom. You are walking along the beach, gazing at a beautiful sunset on the way back to your dream house. And you are so happy and proud of yourself because you are living a life that you absolutely love on your own terms. Now all of that sounds nice, but let me cut to the harsh truth with you. The wisest man I've ever met shared something with me I will never forget. Most people are too busy earning a living to make any real money. If you stay stuck in the daily work trap, feeling overworked, underpaid, underappreciated, and don't make a change, your dream vision above is never going to happen. And I feel for you, because just a few short years ago, that was my reality. In the next 10 minutes, you are going to discover how you can earn more than a CEO online without even needing to build a business and have AI software do all the hard work for you, even as a complete beginner with no special skills, education, or prior experience. And no, this is not digital marketing, real estate, affiliate marketing, network marketing, SMMA, crypto, trading, or dropshipping, or any of those similar online money-making things you've heard of before. My name is Kruze Hunter-Boyd. I'm a former party animal and university dropout turned award-winning entrepreneur. I've made millions of dollars on the internet, all before the age of 30. I've been recognized in Forbes, Entrepreneur, Yahoo Finance, Medium, and Disrupt. Just search my name on Google, you can check it all out, Kruze Hunter-Boyd. And most importantly, I have retired my mum and live a life that I absolutely love. I am able to live my dream lifestyle right now because I stumbled across a $300 billion a year opportunity 3 years ago, expected to grow into a $500 billion a year opportunity by 2030, as stated by Forbes and Yahoo Finance. I found myself a successful online mentor. I soaked up all the specialized knowledge and implemented it like a sponge. Soon after, I learned how to sell high-ticket programs and products on behalf of successful online influencers and entrepreneurs over the phone. You probably see these people all over the internet. Well, soon after, I discovered an AI software to do all the hard work for me. In fact, there's a reason why so many people are talking about this right now.
High ticket closing is one of the most valuable skills.
Remote sales jobs have incredible potential. Now,
the trend is your friend into remote closing.
People like Eamon Gardzi, who has a net worth of over $30 million in his 20s. And even Alex Hormozi, the $100 million man, who has a net worth of over $100 million at the age of 30, shared with Lewis Howes on the School of Greatness podcast recently. The fastest way to become a millionaire is to learn how to sell and sell the most expensive thing that you can possibly sell.
You can just make $1 million just doing sales. You don't even have to sell your own products. You can just do $1 million just selling. Right. In order to make more in sales, you sell stuff that's more expensive. That's it. Learn how to sell and then find the most expensive thing you possibly can to sell. That's it. And I will tell this to everybody who's like not sure. The more expensive it is, the easier it is to sell.
Really? Why is that?
You have to move faster. You know AI is growing at rapid speed. Forbes and the BBC state that an estimated 300 million jobs will be replaced and about 25% of the workforce. And this opportunity won't just be around forever, just waiting for you to be ready. Imagine that 25% of jobs will be replaced by AI. You need to move fast and you need to move now. Recently we had Micah, an ex-Uber driver who was sleeping on a mattress when I first met him, make $42,500 inside of 2 months. And Jonathan, a former university student, makes $6,100 inside of 1 week learning this system. There's a reason why I've been recognized all over the media by Forbes, Entrepreneur, LA Weekly, Yahoo Finance, Medium, and Disrupt for helping 427 people create financial freedom with this skill. And this number continues to grow every single week. I first discovered this opportunity when I was a dead broke university student in Melbourne, Australia. I was researching the internet one day, sick of reading and watching all of these people online making millions of dollars and feeling helpless. There was a common theme of all millionaires and billionaires I studied on the internet. They all started in sales. People like Damon John, who started by selling hats in the street, to being a billionaire owner of Fubu and one of the sharks on the TV series Shark Tank. To another billionaire, Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks NBA basketball team, to Sarah Blakely, billionaire owner of Spanx, and even Howard Schultz, CEO of Starbucks. I then came across a quote by billionaire Warren Buffett, who also started in sales, saying it's not how hard you row in life, it's the boat that you are in. This hit me like a ton of bricks, because I knew how small I was playing in life. And it wasn't about how hard I was working, it was about getting into a better money-making opportunity that gave me leverage. I realized if I did not step up and pull the trigger, I was never going to be successful. Fast forward to a few short years later, I've made millions of dollars on the internet and lived my dream life that was hard to believe was even possible just 3 years before. I was not given any handouts, help, a kickstart in life, or OnlyFans money. I started from zero, and this is why you can too. Now we are offering something special that can help you escape the daily work trap and tap into this $500 billion a year opportunity using my middleman strategy, where we can partner you up with successful online business owners, influencers, and coaches who you can set appointments or close high value programs and products on behalf of online and make a very high income on your own terms. I want to make this clear. You do not need any experience, special skills, or prior education. We train complete beginners and people with sales experience too. I was only just a beginner to this online high ticket closing industry just a few short years ago. Now the only reason I am doing this is because I have dozens of business owners hounding me every single week for more online appointment setters and closers to partner up with them and help them grow their businesses. Otherwise, I would just keep this all for myself. Here are some screenshots of me earning over $5,000, $9,000, and even over $20,000 in straight income on a continuous basis in a single week with this skill, which most people would not even be able to show. And I've been able to do this every single week since I started. We are offering a 10-minute demo call with our team if you can demonstrate the right qualities and commitment, where we show you how to be given warm leads from business owners you partner up with that are hungry for the solution the high-ticket coaching program or service you will be selling provides. We share with you our simple 3-step process and our winning copy and follow word-for-word scripts responsible for millions to enroll these leads into the program or services you are selling using just your phone from anywhere in the world or from home. And we share our AI-powered system that does all the hard work for you and all the repetitious work. The process is simple. We help you to partner up with companies selling high-ticket programs or services online. You set appointments or close sales on behalf of them over the phone or via their social media inbox, just sending simple messages or talking with their leads over the phone, working only 25 hours a week or more. You use our winning scripts without even needing to build a business or deal with any frustrating tech. The best part? You make a high income, you can do it from anywhere, you make your own schedule, and you can work with whoever you want to, while transforming the lives of people who you sell into these programs and services that massively benefit them and are ethical business owners. Rinse and repeat, you make money like clockwork. We use our credibility and track record in the online space to train you up in our system that has done millions in sales and then help you land a position that you can thrive in. We have done this for over 500 people. The results speak for themselves. You can be like Connor, who implemented the middleman strategy and he banked $7,143 in net income while living his dream lifestyle in Bali. Or even high rollers like Maka, one of our members who just made over $1 million in a single week in straight income by closing a $23 million deal. Now, this is not a typical result everyone achieves right away. Maka has experience, but it's still something to aim for in the future. He's been doing this for a few years. And we have many, many more people who have implemented this system and reaped the rewards. The proof is in the pudding. And the results continue to grow every single week as people slice out their piece of this $500 billion a year opportunity. Now, who this opportunity is not for. If you are stuck in information gathering mode or skepticism, you can just search my name on Google or YouTube. I have over 1,000 videos on my YouTube and Instagram. My Instagram handle is at Kruze Aussie Side Hustle King. I have tons of information on the opportunity and our company. Go do your research, but I can't promise there will be a space for you when you apply again in the future. Number 2, if you have no job or source of income, sorry, this is not for you right now. The criteria as a baseline to qualify is a $5,000 a month income or $50,000 a year in income, or access to a minimum of $1,500 or more you're willing to invest given this opportunity ticks the boxes and is a good and viable option for you. We have this criteria in place because we only have limited availability to work with a set number of people every single year. And having hundreds apply for this weekly, you need to meet the above criteria and be willing to invest in yourself to learn a high income skill like online appointment setting or closing. Number 3, do not book in a call if you complain, make excuses, don't take personal responsibility, and can't honor your commitments and show up on time. Then please don't book a demo call with us. And finally, if you are someone who is getting ready to be ready, then don't book a call. We want people who are ready to do this part-time or full-time, apply the system, and make money online inside the next 30 to 60 days. So who is this for? We want people who are open-minded and coachable. Number 2, you can follow a process and implement an easy-to-follow system. Number 3, we want people who have a growth mindset and are prepared to invest in themselves, understanding the more you learn, the more you earn. And finally, if you want a guaranteed path to financial freedom and wealth in the future, and you tick all of the above, then click on the button below before the timer runs out and secure your demo call before all the spots are full. This is a quick 10-minute demo call, so even if you show up and it's not for you, at least you know, and worst case scenario, it's just 10 minutes of both of our time. Best case scenario, you feel this is the answer for you, and we help you quit your job, create financial freedom, live life on your own terms with this new, highly paid online skill. You've got nothing to lose other than 10 minutes of your time and everything to gain. Click on the button below and secure your spot now, because you don't know, I might just be right. You've got nothing to lose other than 10 minutes of your time and everything to gain. Click on the button below and secure your spot now, because you don't know, I might just be right. Click on the button below now and take advantage of this opportunity before all the spots are full and book in your 10-minute demo call. Hope to see you inside.